Hi there again. I'm going to do another unboxing video, except this time, I ordered something off of Depop, so it's not, you know, Lace Market or whatever, which is fine, but sorry for the grass being cut, if you can hear that, but someone's cutting the grass. Okay, so I ordered 2 dresses off Depop, and they're, I don't know what you'd consider them, more like larme, or they're not very like, they're not like a Lolita, like, OP or anything like that, or they're just more of like casual. It could be like casual Lolita stuff, I guess, or larme, whatever your like definition of casual is and everything like that. But we're gonna open it. Sorry, I had to redo that because I totally just flashed my address and I don't have the technology to blur that out yet, or at least I don't know. But I'm gonna open it up. These things I bought mainly for school. Love how I always chop a piece off. It smells really good. I just opened the package, it just smells really good. That's kind of random, but it's better than smelling bad. But yeah, they're mainly for like so that I could wear around school and stuff, and it's not like excessive. It's like just I wanted to get more stuff that's like suiting other things that are already in my closet or that I'm building up, and that I can wear more daily and not just very special occasion type things. So that's kind of what I'm going for. She did say that she was gonna wash them for me, so maybe that's why it smells really good. Okay, so first one, I'm gonna show you this one first, I guess. Okay, so this one I was the most excited about because I love the collar on it, and I'm just a sucker for collars. Like, I love the collar on this. I love collars, they're just so cute. It's my main thing of things that I like in Lolita. That's why I really like classic and gothic, because I usually have more of an emphasis on the collar. So it's this really cute dress. It's long sleeve. It's like just a random off-brand. I don't know where it's from. The seller didn't say. I didn't felt like I needed to ask. It's just some off-brand thing, but very cute. Obviously it needs to be ironed and everything, but I just love the little like bows, and it's navy, and I have a few navy items already, so it's great because then I can have more things that can match with other things in terms of accessories once I get more accessories and stuff. And then the bottom looks like that. Very simple, but it's just very cute. I really like it a lot. I guess I could probably put it on for you guys after, and we'll see how that goes. And then the second one, which seems like it's a lot, it seems very much like my other Taobao dresses that I've had before, and it's like that kind of polyester material, and I really like it. It looked almost like, I thought it was beige initially, and then she said in the description that it was green because of the pictures. I don't know if you'll be able to determine that it's green in the camera, but it's very cute and very simple. Like, it's long sleeved, of course. I live in an environment where it's cold most of the year, so that's why I'm kind of getting a lot of long sleeved stuff. But it's super cute. I really like it a lot. Like, this is the back. The waist seems like it's at a decent waist length. And the little frill buttons, and then the frill on the bottom. And the cuffs on the sleeves, and it's very cute, and I really love it a lot. Like, I really like this one. It's, I think, exactly what I've been kind of trying to look for, like more stuff like this. I think it'd be even cuter with like white accents on it, but it's still very cute. So I guess I'm gonna go try these on for you guys just to show you what it looks like, because might as well. I'm kind of curious too. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this actually fits me like perfectly. The waist kind of ends right underneath my bust, like almost a little bit too early. Like the end of my bust is like here, the waist ends here, but it's really not that bad. I've seen even higher waists, so okay, so yeah, it's really, like when I first put it on, I was like, oh my god, it's too short for my, it goes up a little bit when I move, but like when I just have my arm down, it's pretty good. I want to see if I could get a full body shot for you guys. Sleeves are a tad short for me, but it doesn't really bother me while I'm wearing it, nor does it seem that noticeable, so it's all a-okay for me in that section. And I guess the only other issue that could arise is the waist being a little bit high, but I think I could solve that by adding a ribbon if I don't like the silhouette. Okay, and this is the green one. I think it fits me even better than the blue one. I really like the cuffs. I'm a sucker for cuffs and like baggy sleeves. This is the collar. It's pretty cute. In the back. And it's very light and flowy. Pretty good material, very lightweight. So it's kind of perfect for like any time of the year. Obviously a little bit too warm for summer. Oh, and actually, oh no, I thought this was also diamond honey or honey diamond. I always forget the last one I did, but this is I'm just poorly saying a name and I don't want to embarrass myself. I can't pronounce it at all. I'm so sorry. I'll just put it in the description or something. But I'll do a full body shot for this too. So this dress has a similar issue with the waist being a little bit high on the bust region. So it gives a kind of weird silhouette on the side, but I do think that I can solve it by wrapping a ribbon or something similar around it, and it looks pretty good from the front. Okay, so as you saw in both of the dresses, the waist goes up higher in the front, and I'm not sure if that's just because of the way my bust is hitting in the dress and if it like brings it up, or if it's supposed to be that way. I'm not really positive, but you know, it's not that big of an issue. If I really felt insecure about the side silhouette, I could just add a belt or a ribbon or something, but it doesn't really look terrible up front or anything like that. I just don't want it to look like a high-low or something, but I don't really think it comes off that way. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me open this stuff, I guess. I don't know. I enjoy watching people opening things, so that's kind of just why I uploaded this. But yeah, I'll see you sometime soon. Alright, bye.